Mr. Sumit Kumar, is this your first mock interview with me or the
Yes.
second?
This is my first interview, sir.
Acha, very good. You belong to which state?
I belong from Bihar.
Bihar.
Yes,
Acha.
sir.
So, would you like to take up Hindi medium or the English medium for interview?
I would like to take English medium for interview, sir.
Very good. Thank you. Now, Mr. Sumit Kumar, can you
Yes, sir.
please introduce yourself to us?
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. My name is Sumit Kumar, and I am from Nalanda, Bihar. I have completed my schooling from DAV Public School. After that, I joined Chanakya National Law University, Patna, for pursuing 5-year BBA LLB course.
Ah,
What, sir?
no, no. Yes, tell me.
Okay, sir. I have completed my college from Chanakya National Law University by pursuing 5-year BBA LLB course.
Mm,
In my college, I participated in various activities like moot court competitions and other college events.
mm,
After I graduated from my college in year 2021, and after that I started preparing for competitive exams.
mm,
And sir, in my free time, I like to travel and meet new people. Further, I
mm,
also like to make artworks like sketches.
mm. So, which year did you complete your, um, say, law degree?
Uh, I did 5-year BBA LLB course and I completed it in year 2021.
अच्छा, उसका बाद में what did you do? Did
Sir,
you become a member of Bar Council in Patna?
yes, sir, I become member of Bar Council in Patna.
Did you go for practice under some senior?
No, sir, I have not gone for practice.
So, what were you doing all these days?
Sir, I was preparing for civil services exam.
Why are you preparing for civil services? Why did you not attempt for going for practice? जो पढ़ा है उसको क्यों यूज करने का कोशिश नहीं कर रहे हैं?
Sir, I did in my college days. I did internship in litigation field, uh, and and I realized that it was not something which I will enjoy in my life. That's why I started seeing other opportunities.
Then why did you choose law?
So law is a very diverse field, and I liked it during class 12th because uh, it uh, it it helps in understanding people that why society works in a certain way and how can we manage society. That and it is very diverse field and it includes like every aspect of society, and that's why I was attracted to law.
If you talk like this, they will correct you by telling, if you want to do that, you should have taken sociology and studied. I'm not threatening you, but ऐसा पे
Yes, sir.
cross questions आएगा, be ready for that.
Okay, sir.
I'm not going into that area now, but because you'll feel bad. So the idea
Uh,
there can be some counter questions also. Be prepared for that. You are a lawyer, you know that.
yes, sir.
Please tell me what are the cases of NIACL?
Okay, sir. In First one which I can remember is Susila when Indra Vadan Gandhi versus NIACL. Um, in this case, Supreme Court has reiterated the concept of contra referendum. That means if there is any ambiguity in the contract, then the contract will be interpreted against the drafter. In this case, there was some ambiguity in the case, and case was decided against the NICL. Another case which I can remember is NICL versus Paresh Mohan Lal Parmar. Uh, in this case, Supreme Court has interpreted exclusionary clauses of the uh, insurance contract, and
Mm,
uh, And
Tell me.
Supreme Court held that if the exclusivity clauses are not well informed to the policyholder, then the insurance company cannot use that exclusionary clause.
Mm,
And another case which I can remember is Shivram Chandra Jagannath Cold Storage and others versus NISCL. In this
mm,
case, Supreme Court has interpreted the role of exceptions in insurance policy, and they did a strong literal interpretation and stated that if the exception clause is not too wide and within the framework of insurance, then
mm,
uh, then uh, insurance company can deny the claim on the basis of that exclusion clause.
mm. Good. Not bad. Your knowledge regarding cases seems to be good. You have seen so many things. I'm happy about that. You can search more also and try to make out cases and note it with you. That will be good for you. Excellent.
Yes,
Can
sir.
you tell me about Motor Vehicle Act major changes?
Okay, sir. Motor Vehicle Act 1988 was amended in 2019, and few major changes was introduced. First one was related to that they have removed uh, provisions of related to uh, no uh, no I can't remember. Okay, sir. One which I can remember is that they have introduced third party insurance. They made it compulsory for all the motor vehicles currently on the road. And second one is that they have enhanced the punishment and for the offences provided in the Motor Vehicle Act.
Here I am
I am
seeing
missing.
Here I am seeing compensation for accident victims and their
Yes, sir.
families has been increased by a big margin.
Yes, sir.
Provisions for quicker and more efficient registration processes for vehicles have been introduced with the Saradi and Vahan applications.
Okay, sir.
Driving without insurance, according to new Motor Vehicles Act 2019, the penalty for driving without a motor vehicle insurance has been increased from 1,000 to imprisonment up to 3 months for the first time offenders and 2,000 offenders to 2,000 and imprisonment up to 3 months for second time offenders and rupees 4,000. So please go through that. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, actually, that amendment is very large. That's why I didn't go in detail.
What is the new Motor Vehicle Act 2023? The Ministry of Road Transport has issued a notification for the deregistration and scrapping of all vehicles owned by central and state governments, including buses owned by transport corporations and public sector undertakings that are older than 15
15 years.
years uh,
Yes, sir.
from 1st April 2023.
Yes, sir.
So next one, um, the new rules mandate the timeline for investigation and adjudication of all motor accident claims within a period of 6 months to 1 year. There
Okay.
have been like this, so many things are coming when you search in Google Motor Vehicle Act. This is what it is. If you search like this, you get lot of ideas like this.
Yes,
Are
sir.
you seeing? Are you seeing now?
Yes, sir. It is visible now.
Yeah, please try to search like that and prepare for more uh, answers. Otherwise, what you told was not wrong, but it can be improved. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Which is your favorite subject in your graduation?
Sir, in my graduation, my favorite subject was company law.
Acha, good. Can you tell me about Companies Law Act 1956 and 2013 differences?
Okay. Um, Sir,
You are not
company.
prepared. You are not prepared. Correct?
Sir, I am not very articulate about 1956 Act. One of the few differences which I can mention are, first of all, like in 2013, CSR was introduced in Companies Act 2013, and Companies Act 2013 is based on JJ Irani committee, and
No, no.
um,
Why don't you read this? Please read it. As per Companies Act.
sir, it is not
Uh,
visible
Acha,
on my.
sorry. I'm sorry. Please read.
Yes, sir. OPC. Concept of OPC was introduced in 2013 Act.
Yeah,
One
yeah,
person company.
yeah. Okay. Then what is the difference between Companies Act 2013 and 1956? Here, what is the difference between Table A, Companies Act 19? Please read. Table F applies for companies.
Limited by
Uh,
share.
read.
Table
अच्छा अच्छा,
A.
ये आपको प्रिपेयर नहीं है, आप प्रिपेयर कर दो बाद में. आपने ऐसा सर्च करके बहुत कुछ पढ़ना है, because this is a very basic question.
Okay, sir.
This is a very basic question that is asked in almost all the major interviews. Here you see the points of comparison. Formation of a company, minimum number of persons required. One person can form one person company. Minimum two for a private company other than OPC. Minimum seven for public company under 2013.
Yes, yes,
Here,
sir.
under Companies Act 1956, one person cannot form like that. You read that. बहुत कुछ दिया है. You please
Yes, sir.
go through this. ये पूरा prepare कर दीजिए. Everything you need not remember, but out of this, a few important points you must be able to tell. Arey Baba, it runs to 57 pages.
Yes, sir.
Now, out of that, you make out some 5 points, very good points about which you are clear, and speak about it.
Sir,
Okay, insurance. Insurance. Premium paid on insurance taken by a company for indemnifying any of its key managerial personnel against any liability in respect of any negligence, breach of duty, breach of trust shall not be treated as part of remuneration payable to any such personnel. Here, no such provision in this regard. Likewise, बहुत कुछ है जी, इतना बढ़िया है, आप लोग इसको डिटेल्स. अरे भाई क्या हो गया, गलत हो गया. हाँ, I am giving this in the um, uh,
in the
Naya
group.
NACL WhatsApp group.
Okay,
Please,
sir.
please, please go through that. Okay,
Yes, sir.
please go through that. That will help you a lot. Now, let me go for next question for you. After that, these are all the questions that have been asked in the interview. बिल्कुल. अभी जो हम आपको पूछ रहे हैं, ये सब तो पूछा है परसों ना कल वही रोज में. Then please tell me landmark judgments.
Landmark judgment. Sir, most important judgments of Supreme Court are Keswanand Bharti versus State of Kerala, Mindra Mindra Mills case, Minerva Mills case, and ADM Jabalpur versus Sukla, and Menka Gandhi versus Union of India. Sir, do I need to explain?
No, no, actually, you need not explain. You just tell the base cases, and if they allow you to expand about it, you can tell. For example, when I search landmark judgments, I am getting Romesh Thopar was a state of Madras, Stanislaus was a state of Madhya Pradesh, Mohammed Ahmad Khan was a Shah Bano Begum, National Legal Services Authority was Union of India. I am giving the link of this Wikipedia in our group. आप लोग पढ़ना पड़ेगा.
Yes, sir.
इसका अलावा the latest you can think is Article 370
Oh, yes, sir. Article
and
370
and
and
s-
same-sex marriages.
and same-sex marriage also. These two things you prepare very well. That's all. Other than that, no problem. You are well prepared. You be reading more about law, more about NIACL, so that next time when we meet, have I given you the next date for you?
No, sir.
Which date you want?
19, sir.
Which your date of interview?
23rd December.
तब तो थोड़ा बात में लीजिए ना, 20th को ले लो, हमारा कोई तकलीफ नहीं, फिर भी
Okay, sir.
20th
Okay.
आपको 7:30 बजे डाल देगा, सुबह
Okay,
सुबह
sir.
7:30 बजे डाल दिया.
Okay, sir.
यू आर आंसरिंग नॉट बैड, बट थोड़ा और ज्यादा पढ़ना है, ठीक है.
Yes, sir. I will revise the Companies Act again and
या
go through that provision, especially differences between 1956 and 2013
या
Act.
या I think that is a very basic thing why they have not asked in that interview, I don't know, but फिर भी. And also go through the um, recent judgments of NICL uh,
Yes, sir. Sir,
relating
how,
more to the insurance and all that,
sir,
insurance
how much?
disputes.
o- Okay, okay, sir. And sir, how much judgment I should prepare for NICL cases? Because I have prepared for,
Maximum 5 to 10.
okay, right now I have prepared 4 cases. So I will,
Prepare
I
for
have not,
five. Prepare for 5 or 6. That will.
okay, sir.
And
I have not
you must be able to talk about them in detail.
in detail. Okay, sir.
For example, if you say Keshav Bharati, I also read it long back. हमको अभी याद नहीं है. They will
Yes.
ask you the details of the case.
Okay, sir.
So prepare कर दीजिए. Otherwise, you are doing well. I wish you success. And next time you must be able to do it still better. I have purposely not asked questions regarding NIACL, then
Sir,
principles of insurance, nature of insurance, etc. ये सब आपको तैयारी होना जरूरी है. Then
yes, sir,
the
I have prepared
provisions
it.
of Insurance Act,
Okay.
all those things you must be thorough.
Sir,
But
insurance.
just
Sir,
tell me,
insurance.
the principles of insurance only. I will leave you.
Sir, there are mainly 7 principles of insurance. Principle of utmost good faith, principle of insurable interest, uh, principle of indemnity, principle of subrogation, principle of contribution, principle of loss management, and uh, principle of proximate cause.
Good, not bad. You have done well. But one thing, what is your name?
Sumit Kumar.
Sumit Kumar. Honestly, I don't believe why we should remember all these things. We are remembering only for interview. Otherwise, कुछ भी जरूरत नहीं है. जब भी चाहिए आप तो गूगल में अंदर में जाके सर्च कर सकते हैं और आपको कंप्यूटर में रख के उसको देख सकते हैं. The moment you
Yes.
get employed, nothing is required for you. But before you are getting employed, all these things they are asking because that is the only way by which they can eliminate people. समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
What is your father?
Sir, my father name is Sunil Kumar and he is a businessman.
What is the business he's doing?
Surgical equipment.
Why should you not go for insurance? Why are you coming here? They will ask like this. You have your own answer. Don't tell me. What's your mother?
Sir, my mother name is Kumari Sanju and she is a housewife.
How many siblings you have, Sumit?
Sir, I have only one elder sister.
What is she doing?
She is an IT engineer right now, working in an IT company.
What is your brother-in-law?
My sister is not married currently.
I'm sorry. Anyhow, thank you so much. You are one among the top rankers. Please do it well. If you prepare something more seriously, but only problem is about answering why not legal court and why
Sir,
here this.
sir, can you little bit guide me regarding this?
regarding
Like,
that only, it is no, whatever guidance I give, it is not going to satisfy. वो लोग अपने के पास में satisfy होना है, इसके लिए आप तो हंस के आंसर देना है, and you must answer other questions correctly. The obvious answer for this is, say when did you complete 2021?
yes, sir.
So after completing the exams after getting the degree in 2021, becoming a bar council member, I thought of entering into the government service. So I did not go for practicing. It is because while practicing, we are given very low payment by the seniors, and not all seniors provide you the required knowledge to get expertise in that field. I was of the view, if I get a chance to work in the central government, public sector undertakings or the government, that will give me a good opportunity to learn more about legal ideas and put it into practice, and that will also give me a good career prospects. In law, since my parents are not into legal line, and creating a line of people to follow us will take many long years. Okay.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. That is a valid reason, and it is one of the reason that's because which I had not chosen to practice.
This is how it has to be told, but everybody is going to tell more or less same. But
Yes, sir.
उसको हंस के बोलो, कॉन्फिडेंस से बोलो, और क्या, दूसरे क्वेश्चंस को करेक्ट आंसर कर दो. नेगोशिएबल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स एक्ट ईयर क्या है?
Negotiable Instrument Act 1882.
1881.
Oh, okay, sir.
What is the year in which Partnership Act was passed?
Uh, 1932.
35 ना?
Sir, I
चेकअप कर
can't
दीजिए,
recall. Yes.
चेकअप कर दीजिए. सो बेसिक एक्ट्स आपको मन में होना है. कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट, नेगोशिएबल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स एक्ट, कंपनीज एक्ट, देन हिंदू अनडिवाइडेड हिंदूज एक्ट, देन मैरिज एक्ट, लाइक दिस ये सबको आपको पता होना है.
Yes, sir.
And not only the year, the important provisions.
Yes, sir.
आप गूगल में जाके सर्च कर दीजिए, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट इंपॉर्टेंट प्रोविजंस, पार्टनरशिप एक्ट इंपॉर्टेंट प्रोविजंस, बैंकिंग रेगुलेशन एक्ट 1949 इंपॉर्टेंट प्रोविजंस, आरबीआई एक्ट 1934 इंपॉर्टेंट प्रोविजंस. ऐसा सर्च करके प्रिपेयर कर दीजिए.
Yes, sir.
बेस्ट विशेस. गॉड ब्लेस यू. यू विल सक्सीड if only you take some more initiatives.
Yes, sir. I will make sure to take more initiative.
You did well. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye bye.